Sounds are all around us. We can make a loud sound or a quiet sound. But how are sounds created? Sound is made up of vibrations we can hear. These are called sound waves. Sound waves travel through the air as vibrations to our ears. Let's make some sound waves of our own. Now that you've made your sound sticks, it's time to shake it up. Encourage your child to shake each stick and describe what they hear. Have them shake the stick up and down and side to side to explore different sounds. Using only their ears, invite your child to match the pairs of sound sticks that sound alike. Play around using your sound sticks to make noise. What happens if you shake them fast? What happens if you shake them slow? Encourage your child to describe how the different sound sticks sound. This will help your child to use vocabulary that they might not use in everyday life. Maybe a sound stick makes a skittering sound, or perhaps it rumbles when you turn it. Explore your child's process. Ask them to tell you how they decide which sound sticks sound alike. Talking together with your child exposes them to words. The more words your child hears, the easier it is for them to recognize words once they start to read.